up guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name's Lynsee and this is the Cut series. Okay, so today is episode 8 of the Cut series and it's also photo shoot day, so I'm super excited right now. Just drinking my coffee and getting everything ready for the shoot. I just wanted to show you guys like what I'm taking with me and how my body's looking right now. I'm actually gonna go to the gym before the shoot just to get a quick little like pump, little workout in, and I'm probably gonna sit in the sauna for a little bit just to sweat some extra stuff out. Okay, so let me show you what I'm taking with me. And once again, it's me, Lynsee, with no makeup on. I'm trying to keep my face as bare as possible until shoot time. So this is what I'm taking. These, I just have my different outfit changes. I'm taking 3 different outfits, my hairbrush, some sandals, another pair of shoes, my makeup bag, yoga mat. These are all of my different booty bands, and then this is the exercise ball that I'm not going to inflate until I get there. Dumbbells. And then I have my deodorant. This is an amazing body oil. I like to use this like in place of lotion. It just looks better, I feel like, for photos, and it makes your body just like glisten. This is my moisturizer I'm going to take for my face. It's really lightweight, so it won't like make me look oily, and it will stay on during the entire shoot. So this is a must. And then I'm also going to take my eye cream. Can you focus? Okay, so this is my eye cream. I'm just going to put this on before I apply my concealer. Make sure everything stays put. And I just have my bag here with some like wipes. My gym stuff. And yeah, I think that's it. Oh, and I have just some lip gloss options. And I'm actually gonna do this before I go. This is, it's like rejuvenating eye gels. It's by Patchology. They sent me these. So I'm gonna do this now. This is really gonna help me because I stay up really late and sometimes my eyes just look tired in the morning. So this is gonna help brighten them up. Okay, let's see if I can do this right. Ooh, they're nice and cool. So, whoa, I feel like I can't see when I look down. Okay. I am so coordinated. Alright. Ooh, it feels really cool. Okay, so I am going to let this sit and drink my coffee, do some last minute stuff on my computer. I'm actually editing episode 7 right now, and I'm gonna take y'all with me today behind the scenes so you can see what we're doing. Got to the location. We're here with Nick and Pee-wee.
Guess who's who?
We're setting up. some wrap on the shoot. We just finished up here, and now I gotta go pick up my little man. Alright, so I just did a big grocery run, and a lot of you guys wanted to see like healthy grocery hauls or what I pick up from the store, so I thought I'd share this with you. Let me just start with, I get a lot of my proteins from Costco just because I go through them quicker, and Costco has more like organic, delicious proteins that don't cost as much. So, I got this Orca Bay salmon. I like this particular salmon because the fat is lower, and so the salmon that I was getting before was fresh, it was yummy, but then when I looked at the label, it was full of fat, like a lot of fat too. So you gotta be careful for things like that. This is one of my all-time favorites from Costco. They're Alaskan salmon burgers. They are so delicious, and they just taste like natural, not like they're full of sodium, but they're really yummy. Yeah, I think they flavor them with garlic too because they taste really delicious. Yeah, garlic, white pepper, ground onion, so good. Cod. Cod is one of my favorites for white fish. It's nice and flaky. What else did I get for proteins? Oh, I got 100% grass-fed ground beef for Tajin, and I actually got this from Aldi, but the way I get my groceries is I try to get the bulk proteins from Costco, and then I'll get my other items from Aldi or Publix. Publix, if you're not really familiar, it's a little bit more expensive than Aldi, but it's a popular chain in Florida, and I like to get most of my items from Aldi just because it's really cheap and affordable. So whatever I can't find there, I'll go to Publix, but usually it's Aldi, girl. Costco also has huge tins of tuna, so I got 8 of these babies. This is a really quick protein if you don't have time. Egg whites. Costco has bulk egg whites, and I run through egg whites pretty quickly, so I got a pack of 6 of these. And they also sell rice cauliflower in bulk, which I absolutely love because I eat this so often. So I got a huge bag of rice cauliflower. Now I think everything else was Costco. Oh, apples. We love Honeycrisp apples, so I got a big thing of those. And asparagus. Asparagus is a natural diuretic, so got a big thing of asparagus. And okay, so now everything is pretty much from Aldi. Red potatoes. I've been eating a lot of red potatoes and sweet potatoes on my high carb days. Also, rice cakes. Got lightly salted and caramel corn rice cakes. You want to make sure you're looking at the labels though, because sometimes they have a lot of added sugars in the flavored rice cakes. This one only has 3 grams of sugar, so we are all good. Got some nuts and seeds. I always get unsalted pistachios and these pepitas. Let's see, what else do I get? Okay, sprouted grain bread, or like Ezekiel bread. It has whole sprouted grains. It's just a better option, to be honest. So I always get sprouted bread or Ezekiel products. Unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I use this in my coffee and my protein ice creams that I make. Also use frozen berries very often in smoothies or in protein ice cream. This salsa is so delicious from Aldi, so I always get this little salad bar, medium salsa. They also have a chipotle one that's really delicious. And salsa is great for flavoring your foods without adding like too much fat, calories, whatever. It's very low in everything. Got some vanilla extract. I use this often too in pretty much all of my baking goods, or I put it in my oats. Sometimes I put it in my coffee just to give things added flavor. Eggs for some healthy fats. And I also picked up these peanut butters. If you've never tried Nuts and More, like, are you living? I had their toffee, what was it, toffee butter or something. The toffee one was delicious, and I was like, I need to try the other one. So I picked up this chocolate maple pretzel one and cookie butter. So these are high in protein. The carbs are not bad. 9 grams carbs and 11 grams fat for 2 tablespoons. So I'm loving this. Alright, so that is pretty much it, I think. Oh, and I also picked up some protein, PE Select peanut butter protein. This is the vegan one, and it tastes bomb. Like, I've been trying different vegan proteins. A lot of them are chalky and they have like a weird taste, but this tastes good in everything. And I even tried it just with water by itself, drank it, so good. Alright, and they're not paying me to say that. Activated charcoal, I picked this up. This is good for digestion. You just take 2 a day with a meal, and it's going to help with digestion. So that is pretty much it for my little grocery haul. I'm sorry if I was talking really fast. I feel like I was, because I'm kind of like... Alright, we just finished filming a little video for Tajian's channel.
It was so cool because she was so strapped on my face.
But we are going to clean all of this mess up, and then we're going to hit up this laser show that the Frost Museum, it's like a science museum, huge planetarium here in Miami. They put on this cool laser show like, the first Friday of every month.
Don't forget to subscribe to this burger.
Right.
That's me.
Alright, we will see you guys soon. We just got to the museum, guys.
Just got to Frost Science.
I'm excited. So they have a theme. They have a music theme for each show. And this one is Michael Jackson.
Yeah, me too. I like it. Me too.